Jules, guess what we're doing today? First of all, this video is meant to be for the 1st of September. Can you believe we are in September? My favourite months are here. The Burr months. Yes. Fall and winter. My favourite season, autumn, is here. I don't know why I'm whispering. So, it's cozy season. We've got my pink coffee mug. I can't wait to say this. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, grab something hot, get cozy. We are in fall today. We are doing a fall/autumn decorate with me video. I'm going to be decorating my house girly and pink, fall style, autumn style. The leaves are going to be falling soon and I just can't wait to decorate. I'm going to get all the pumpkins out and everything. So I hope this inspires you to decorate too. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, get cozy, and let's do this decorate with me fall edition and make my apartment look gorgeous for fall. Let's go, dolls, let's go.
My whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life ain't a ding-dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello again, shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
I'm hanging my wreath outside. I made my wreath on my own using 𝓟𝓷𝓷𝓴 products, so I love that, the fact I made it on my own. So that's the first thing I'm doing, is hanging my wreath before doing anything else, because a full wreath has to go up first. It just has to. It just makes it feel like home right from the outside, and it's up. I love how it looks like. I can't wait for my guests to see it. Okay, dolls, so the first thing that I like to do before we decorate is make some coffee and also get dressed into a really comfortable robe, or some pajamas, because whenever I'm busy like that, I like to be comfortable. So I want to be like all bundled up in something comfortable. So I'm going to quickly go and get dressed and put on some cute pajamas or a nice silky robe and make some coffee, and just really fall inspired coffee. So let's go. I'm in my kitchen. I think I'm gonna start decorating the kitchen area first. I have changed into my robe, comfortable robe and some shorts, but yeah, so I think we're gonna get started. Oh, before we get started, let's make some coffee, because it's not a full video without coffee. So I'm gonna make some coffee so we can get all cozy and comfortable. Okay, so now I've got a little bit of caffeine inside me. I'm feeling so cozy. Now I'm going to check all my autumn decor. I have a cupboard for that in my new place and I can't wait to show you how it looks like. So we're going to go over and look at it now and I'm going to inspect what I have so I can know the game plan of what we're doing. So let's go and see what we have. Autumn stuff and Christmas decorations inside this cupboard right here. I've moved things around already so many times out of excitement. So I'm definitely going to be using this. This is Christmas stuff. Going to be using all of this stuff in front of me, and you know there's a lot of Christmas stuff in here, so I'm gonna just bring all of this stuff out and just I guess start decorating. Oh my goodness. Here is all the stuff on my countertop sitting, including the stuff like candles and stuff on Bath and Body Works. It's a lot, and there's still more in the cupboard. So I'm gonna like organize. This is the game plan. I'm just gonna have it in front of me. Here is where I'm gonna just organize. I probably would do here. I don't know. We're going to work on the kitchen, so I'm going to like go and do the kitchen area because I feel like that I want done first. I got some goodies from Bath and Body Works for my sink and my toilets. So I'm going to be putting this by my sink. So I'm going to show you what I got. It's pumpkin cupcake and I love it because it's got pink on it and it actually smells really good. So it goes with the theme of my kitchen really good. Pink suede, and it's just such a nice fall smell. It actually smells of fall and I love it. It just has an autumn type of windy smell to it. I can't describe it, and it's very moisturizing. So this is going to be by my sink. I'm going to do this area last because I really, or maybe we'll do it now so we can get out of the way and then save the living room for last. Time for the fun part. So the living room, so that's going, all of this is just going to be different. Just going to add some little autumny touches. I think we're going to start on the coffee table first. absolutely loving my coffee table. I was even thinking of having one of the pumpkins on the floor, but I just don't know how I feel about my dogs getting to the pumpkin, so I'm just gonna have it as it is. I think it looks gorgeous. And we're done. I am ready for autumn. My living room is so pink and so pretty and so girly, and it just feels so cozy for autumn, for fall. I love it. It's just so cozy, like I feel so comfortable because this is my favorite time of the year. We're all set up now and ready to go. I love it. I love my living room. Cozy view. I love this view. So there we go, dolls. I finished decorating my apartment for fall. Obviously my apartment still has a lot of stuff and work to be done. I just moved in less than a month ago, just a month ago literally, this week. So a lot is to be done. My chandelier is not even up yet. So much is missing. So anyway, so far this is how my apartment looks for fall. So if you enjoyed today's video, there's gonna be more. I'm gonna be doing so many a day in my life fall edition. There's gonna be so many cozy videos, so get ready. Now we're all decorated, it's game time. So if you enjoyed this video, dolls, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Thank you so much for getting cozy with me and, you know, being there with me as I decorate my apartment for the cozy season coming up. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video and give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Love you, dolls. Bye.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm when you come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life. Ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba, oh, ba, dum, ba, dum, ba, dum. Oh, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba, oh, ba, dum, ba, dum, ba, dum. Oh, life, ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so